Hey, welcome back to the Cuban. This is a place where we teach, inspire, educate, motivate, and doing all this while having some fun here in my backyard called the Cuban. Hey, I hope everybody's year has started off great. This is the year 2022. So my year is starting off great. Hope yours is. And you know what time it is of the year? It's what? Tax time. And that's what I want to jump on this video to talk to you about is taxes. My name is Lawrence L.T. Turner. I live here in Las Vegas, own a tax firm and a credit restoration business. Usually I have my partners here, but we're doing something a little different today. Understand? I want to take some time by myself to talk to you about something that people have a lot of challenges with. And that's taxes.
Really?
Some people try to get refunds. Some people try to buy homes. Some people don't understand that they're supposed to report income even though you're self-employed and don't receive a form which is called a 1099. You're supposed to still report your income because that could be labeled as tax evasion. And you know with tax evasion, what comes with that? Clink, clink, jail time. But listen, real quick here. Understanding some things about the 2022 tax season. For a lot of people, you got to understand something that there's some things that have changed. When the previous president was in office, he took away something that we used to do. We used to file what's called a form that was called a 2106, and that was a employee unreimbursed expenses. Like when a mortgage person spends a lot of money doing events and they spend money out of their pocket, gifts and all those things. You used to can write those things off, but no longer can you write that off. So if you have a job and you're getting a W-2 and you spend a lot of money out of your pocket at your job, you cannot get that back. That's what's supposed to go on the form, a Schedule A, where you can write off your real estate interest, your real estate taxes. You can write off things like your car registration, donations. You used to write off your tax prep fee, but you can't do that anymore. Gambling losses, investment expenses. There's some other things that you can write off, medical expenses. Those are some things you can write off. But what makes it so difficult to write those things off is that the last president, he made the standard deduction so high that a lot of people don't even qualify to write off things like their mortgage and their real estate taxes and so forth, all the things that I talked about. So make sure you gather all of your potential write-offs to see if you surpass the standard deduction that our previous president has increased to, and it possibly can help you. I promise you. A lot of people don't think it can, but it possibly can help you. So that's something. Also, what happened also is the current administration, they have changed if you have child care expenses. That used to be a non-refundable expense to help reduce your tax burden. But now, guess what? It's refundable. $8,000 per child, $16,000 for two or more that you can possibly get back as a refundable credit. So make sure you get that info. If you have somebody, a company, or someone that is watching your child that you pay, hey, you have the ability to increase your refund. Let's talk about something else about your taxes. You self-employed people. Have a conversation with your tax person because they need to know what are you trying to accomplish. Are you trying to buy a home in this year, 2022? You better prepare your taxes the correct way to show enough income so that you qualify for a house or qualify for a loan. Now, some of you out there may be thinking, well, I may need to show 60, 70, 80,000 my tax return. I'm going to have a big tax bill. You're absolutely right. You are going to have a big bill. But you know how you can avoid that? If you're not ready to buy a house right now, maybe you're ready to buy it next year, start paying estimated tax payments every quarter. So if you owe $15,000, $16,000, $20,000 to the IRS, guess what? You've been paying quarterly taxes, so it's not going to be you're going to not be shell shocked when it's time to pay that tax bill because you've been paying quarterly taxes. Now, how much do you pay? Well, you need to sit down and talk with your tax person. But I always tell my clients, every 3 months, put away between 10 and 15% of your income after expenses income, put it into a separate account, and pay the IRS every quarter so you're not surprised when that big bill comes. Because guess what? What if your bill is 19 grand? You put away 22 grand. Guess what you got coming back? $3,000 of a refund. Pay your quarterly taxes. And you people out there that have S corporations, make sure you file your K-1s with your personal tax returns. Very important, because if you don't, that could cause a problem. Just be smart. Have depth in your thinking. File taxes the right way. Become a homeowner. Because if you want to become a homeowner, that means your tax game is straight. Your credit game is straight. Your income is straight. Then there should be no reason why you can't become a homeowner. Listen, I've been in the tax business since 2007. That was my first tax season. 2007. Damn! It's a long time. And I've seen it all. I help a lot of people to make sure their tax returns are prepared the correct way. Don't always look for a refund. Look at what you're trying to accomplish. So that's my message for today. I hope you enjoyed this beautiful Sunday. Well, it's a little dark now. I'm watching the football games. I'm not really excited about the football games right now. Well, maybe a little bit, because the Bears ain't playing. So what do I got to be excited about? But anyway, that's a different story, different time, different moment in life. Can't go back to 1985. But anyway, listen. If you have any questions, please, in my description, I would have my information. You can reach out to me with questions concerning taxes, concerning credit, on things you should be doing to maximize your opportunities here in 2022. So people, as before, I'll see everyone at the top, because you know what? It's way too crowded at the bottom. Love you guys. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Like what we're talking about. If you don't like what I'm talking about, hey, hit the thumbs down. You better not hit that thumbs down. But hit the thumbs up, reach out, a comment. We would love to hear from you. I just want to come on and talk to you about things like this to help you move forward and upwards in your life, for you and your family and your community. Love you. Take care. Cuban Olive, we are out of here. See you next time. Peace.